What's up, guys? It's Shane with Moretti Outdoors. Recently I got tagged by Ryan from Rockett Outdoors. He wanted to know what my 5 favorite items for outdoors were, and here they are. Let's get right down to it. You guys have seen most of this stuff, but so obviously my Perkin. I'm not gonna go out in the woods or out my trips without it. I love my Perkin, guys. It's just a great knife at a great price. And obviously I'll put all the links below for all these products in the description below. If you're interested, don't have to be. I just gonna do it because I want to. Of course, you guys have seen this. My fire stoker, gotta have it. I like it. Guys, it's super lightweight. This all comes apart. You can store it. I store it in a little tiny bag. Fits in my pack really nice. My third item. This is my chair, man. I got 2 different chairs, but this is the chair of all chairs, guys. The trio chair, man. I love this thing. It does weigh about let's see, it weighs 2 pounds 4 ounces. Maybe not ideal for backpacking, but this thing is a beast. I'm not even going to take it out of the container. It's a real pain in the butt to put back, but it opens up. I mean, you can see the picture. That's what it looks like. It opens up. You put the little stakes in there, almost like tent poles, and then you put the cloth on. It's a really great chair. It doesn't sink in the mud, sand, dirt, or nothing. It's just a really good chair, man. I really love it a lot. It's a little pricey, but it's still a good chair. The next item, I won't go out on my backpacking trips without, decent lighting, and this is the one that I chose. Obviously, you can get these at Walmart or Amazon, wherever you want, but the Atomic Beam, man, I love it. You can hang it in your tent. It's got the magnet. I don't have batteries in it, but it's super duper duper bright. It's just a convenient little tool. It folds down into nothing. Fits in your pack nice. I really take it on my hiking and backpacking trips mainly, or my kayaking and bigger trips mainly. If I'm backpacking, I might pass on it, but it just depends how long of a trip I'm doing. And then my 5th item, you guys have seen this before too. I did a review on it. I'm going to be doing some more intensive stuff with it too later on down the road here, but the Iridium stove, man, this thing is great. You stab it into the ground, you can stab it into the fire and put your I have a minimalist cup I put on it, or you can put anything you want on it, but this thing is great. You can get fuel cubes for it too. My buddy out of Indiana makes these Nuclear Outdoor Products, Jared. He's a good guy. Like I said, I'm not going to get too specific on this product because I got more stuff on that coming up. I ended up drilling the holes in it myself just because I wanted to see if it would work a little bit better. It works really good, don't get me wrong, but I wanted to just to play around with it. I drilled a hole in the side for a little carabiner. Fits around the outside of my pack, guys. It's super duper light, super duper durable. You can beat the crap out of it. Like I said, you just stab it into the ground and there you go. You got yourself a little stove, for your food. And that's it, man. It's gonna be a nice, short, sweet video, and so this is who I'm calling out. Favorite pieces of gear, and then pass it along. Tag 5 people, because there's plenty of people out there that have not gotten tagged yet. So Kirk Miller, 5 items, buddy. Black Mountainside, love your videos, man. I'd like to see your 5 favorite pieces of gear. You have some really awesome gear. Pinetree Line Outdoors, I know you got some great gear too, man. Let's check out your 5 favorite pieces, bud. Rob Adventures, hey man, let's check out your 5 favorite pieces of gear. And AOK Foraging and Adventures, I'd really like to see some of your gear too there, ma'am. So I really appreciate it, guys, and thanks for watching, and short and sweet and right to the point.